Hi guys, this is how I make my Bangladeshi style chicken roast curry step by step. So follow along. So you're gonna start off with one whole chicken and you're gonna season that with some turmeric, red chili, curry powder, and salt. And then give that a good mix and let that marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. And cut some slits into your chicken so like the seasoning go inside. And then you're gonna deep fry the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Don't worry guys, you're gonna cook the chicken once you're making the curry anyways. I don't like frying my chicken for too long because I do not want it to be hard. So take your chicken out and then get rid of the other oil, or you can even drain some and use the same oil, and get in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. And then you're gonna add in one large onion, about 2 teaspoons of salt, and then you're gonna add some bay leaves, green chilies, and a cinnamon stick. You could use cardamom pods, but I do not like LSC in my stuff. I also add about half a cup of water so the onions get more translucent. And then throw in your seasonings. I'm going to list everything above, so don't worry. Give the onions a good mix and then throw in your fried chicken. And then I add in about 1 more cup of water so everything cooks like evenly and the chicken is tender. And I let this simmer on low heat for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then I just garnish it with some cilantro. And that's it, guys. This dish is so amazing. And we eat it with a rice.